Convoy 5 approaching the south gate. ETA 5 minutes. Clear the receiving bay.
Refractometer reading confirms target sugar content.
Excellent. Let's verify the texture analysis next. The count is almost 200,000.
Let's increase the speed on conveyor 4. This batch looks excellent. Approved for luxury export.
The scanner accuracy is holding steady at 99.8%. Good, keep monitoring the flow rate on line 3.
These look excellent. The arrangement is perfect, ready for shipment. We need confirmation on the Asia Pac shipment by 1400 hours. Reroute the Medjool dates through the Karachi hub immediately.
Cleanliness looks good. Check the temperature readout on the reefer. Holding steady at 40 degrees. Ready for the dates. All certifications verified. Go ahead and release the Medjool date shipment for loading. You have the manifest and the cooling log.
Yes, here they are. Everything is checked.
All right, proceed carefully.
Terminal 4, confirm refrigeration on the Medjool shipment.
Roger that. Temperatures holding steady. Ready for loading. Bridge to deck. Confirm refrigeration status. Refrigeration holding steady, Captain.
Confirmed. Container 42T, Medjool dates, route to warehouse 7. Copy that. Dispatching forklift immediately.
The supermarket orders for the Western region need to be prioritized. Make sure those pallets are scanned before they leave the dock.
In 1.5 miles, take the Interstate 80 exit toward the city center.
These look perfect for the gift boxes. Yes, they are so glossy. That will be $32.50.
We need to hit the 20,000 pallet target by morning. The packing lines are running smoothly, and we should be on track. The moisture levels on batch 7R are holding steady at 18%.
Good. Cross-reference that with the texture analysis results.
Moisture levels are consistent across the samples, Supervisor.
Excellent. Proceed with loading.
The factory footage looks incredible. Let's push that cinematic lighting sequence.
Agreed. It really sells the premium quality.